Blackheads are pimples that appear on the surface of the skin when a hole gets stuck and closes. It is known as whitehead, but when the top is open, a blackhead is formed. Many people think blackheads are dark because it is the color of purported dirt. True blackheads are black or grey because the oil and dead skin that come in contact with the air trap the pores that are oxides trusted source. Here are 8 options you can try from DIY remedies, dermatologist recommendation as well as prevention tips that will help keep blackheads at bay. Number 1. Wash your face twice a day. It is a good idea to wash your face even in the morning to get rid of any dirt or bacteria that may have accumulated on the face at night. You will also want to make sure that you wash your pillow cases regularly. Be sure to wash as soon as possible after practice. If you don't have easy access to a sink, facial cleaning whip is a great for this. Number 2, try a whole strip. We have all seen the ad with a smiling woman happy to have blackheads removed from our nose, with pros strips temporarily removing a layer of skin, and after accumulation oxides, oils and dirt that make up blackheads does not control the oil production your skin. For best result, try to steam your face beforehand to the open pores. They may temporarily make the pores appear smaller, but the protection strip have the potential to remove natural oils and hair fillings that are helpful to the skin. Doing so can cause imputation and dryness. You can find 4 strip online or at your local pharmacy or beauty supply store. Number 3. Use oil-free sunscreen. It can make oil skin sunscreen on the skin feel a bit wet, which may be due to excess oily dry to sensitive. It is important that you wear sunscreen regardless of your skin type. Fortunately, there are some great oil free alternative that will effectively. Check out this oil free sunscreen for oily acne prone skin. Number 4. Exploit. When you think of exploitation, you may think of hard or rose subscribes. This can actually make acne worse. That there are several mild chemical exploitation that you can use. Look for those that contain alpha and beta hydroxide acid. These are mild acids that help remove dead skin cells. They help other products prevent that skin better and clear the way work more effectively. You may have heard to salicylic acid for acne. It is BHA. BHAs are well shown and help to cleanse pores. Glycolic and lactic acid are considered AHs, which are dissolved in water and derived from natural sources such as milk, fruit or sugar. Just remember that AAHs and BHAs remove a layer of the skin. UVA and UVB can make it from unbelievable to lesion. Don't forget your SPF when you go out. You can find general special exploration online or at your local pharmacy or beauty supply store. Number 5. smooth on a clay mask. Clay is a mild, ingredient in reliable source that have been around since ancient time. Clay help to exploit excess oil and help remove dirt from pores. Face masks made with clay base work more gently than prose strips which can strip a layer of the skin. Instead, the clay can penetrate the pores and slowly expel dirt and oil. Some clay masks contain sulfur which helps break down dead skin and improve the appearance of blackheads. However, many people are allergic to sulfur, so it is a good idea to check and the patch on your arm if you have never used sulfur products before. Find find clay mask online or at your local pharmacy or beauty store. See charcoal mask. Charcoal is now popping up in all sorts of toothbrush and good result. Charcoal is great detoxifier. It is works of deeply in the pure to draw dirt and other impurities. Lots of gorgeous charcoal masks are available at the counter or you can buy activated charcoal pills at the drug store. Open the pills and make your own DIY mask using a mixture of barotraton, clay dew, tea tree oil, honey or just plain water. You can find control to counter charcoal masks online for from your local pharmacy or beauty supply store. Number 7. Try using topical retinol. Topic and retinoids are derived from vitamin A and have been shown to be reliable source for acne. These are available over the counter or in the prescription from retinol increasing skin cold turnover and may also reduce the approach is itching. It should be noted that can be women are advised to avoid retention trust source as access in integrate work with the pills still developing. If you pregnant you can try using buckwheat or rosette instead and a retention slimmer effect. You can find topical remediation or online at your local pharmacy to beat beauty supply store. Number 8. Apply salicylic and gel. Salicylic acid in help dislodge cartridge which causes blackheads, closing the pores. It is also effectively tension explained, but you only want to use it on the part of the body that is filling with whiteheads or blackheads. It can be reliable source of the salicylic poisoning as it used all over your body. You can find the salicylic acid gel online or at your local pharmacy or beauty supply store. The nose part of the face is the first side. If you water blackheads on the tip of beautiful nose, then is normal too. Look impressions after the blackheads are mainly due to dust and heat. During the summer season, our skin become from started and as a result, the pores of our skin pores the become more exposed and whiteheads are accumulated more dust and then turn in blackheads.